Welcome to our lesson on AI model training. Imagine you bring home a puppy. Day 1, it knows nothing. Not its name, sit or stay. But you show it what to do, rewarding it when it gets things right. After a few weeks, the puppy responds perfectly. That's exactly how model training works. Hey everyone, today we are breaking down model training in the simplest way possible. No jargon required. Let's go. First, let's understand what a model even is. Think of a model as a completely empty brain. No knowledge, no opinions, no skills. It's just a structure that has the ability to learn. It hasn't learned anything yet. Technically, a model is a mathematical program made up of millions of adjustable knobs. These are parameters. Right now, they're set randomly. Our job? Teach it. Back to our puppy. Step 1. You show the puppy something. You hold a treat and say, sit. The puppy has no idea what sit means, but eventually, by accident, it sits down. Step 2. You give it feedback. The moment it sits, you say, good boy, and give the treat. The puppy connects the dots. When I sit, good things happen. Step 3. Repeat this hundreds of times. Slowly, it learns the pattern. Training is the same. You show the model data, thousands or millions of examples. It's the same 3 steps. The model makes a prediction. Then you tell it how far off it was from the correct answer. The model adjusts its knob slightly. You repeat this cycle thousands of times. That cycle is called an epoch. One full pass through the data is one epoch. We need many epochs until the model gets good. Let's look at a real example. Say we want to train a model to distinguish between cats and dogs. We collect 10,000 photos, each labeled cat or dog. That's our data. We show the first photo, it's a cat, but the model guesses dog with 90% confidence. Big mistake. We calculate loss, which just means how wrong were you? High loss is very wrong. Based on that loss, the model nudges its internal knobs. Next time, it's slightly less wrong. We show it more photos, and each time it adjusts. After 50 passes, the model can look at a new photo and recognize it correctly. It's 98% confident. That's a trained model. But why does this matter? Because model training is the foundation of AI. ChatGPT is trained on billions of sentences. Self-driving cars are trained on millions of hours. Netflix? Your viewing habits. AI products exist because of data, model structure, and a training process. The process runs on powerful GPUs. Training quality decides the AI's quality. Bad data in, bad model out. Data preparation is 80% of a scientist's time. Quick recap. A model starts empty, you feed it labeled data, lots of it. It makes predictions, measures, error, adjusts settings, and repeats. It learns patterns. Puppy learns to sit. Model learns to predict. Same energy. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. I break down AI and DevOps every week. Drop a comment with your next topic. I'll see you in the next one.